Laitkam byllai, multiple vacancies. Hai kita Trei Kam Sorkar Meghalaya, Government Departments of Meghalaya. Kadang apa DSC West Khasi Hills District. Kadang ko arteli kawai DSC West Khasi Nongstoin. Tengah pecah ni DSC West Khasi Nongstoin. Tarik kaduk kadai kendai tarik benaiman riu acara pesan. Kanai dapat teman macam lagi Isaac kan arteri kami acara pesan dari yang pertama nak kata watching tut jang kada dua ke por pendap akan make recruitment .nic.in kita pencerahan biang syaka kendai tarik kada ikla rim ba advertisement aduk benai match kadai kita pen Q biang syaka kendai tarik tinggal pakin lagi kam badan hakan advertisement kita ada apply mensyaka kita kam syuk apply kat kom ka jing patha jokan ni ke mana driver kidan lakan tiu mansua kidai kat arteli mentak lakan tiu sakat lightly kat pass class 8 level 3 ka jing siu ta enumerator kawai kapus sakat jo matriculation SLC pass gram sebika kawai kapus level 5 jing siu matriculation SLC pass ta have the training in apo UGSTC operation law can you one high preference Laboratory Assistant Chemistry, kawai kapus, level 6. HSLC Science Chemistry is one of the subject. Antara Lower Division Assistant, kelakan tiu mensyakat saw ke arah syaka, arpukan daiteli. Secondary School Living Certificate, any examination declared equivalent thereto, and must have typing certificate. Typing speed of 30 words per minute. Candidates certificate in computer education will be preferred. Mandal kawai kapus level 3 HSLC pass or its equivalent. Kadang-kadang bandri kadang cerong pakai advertisement. Kadang-kadang kadang kawai pan. So advertisement kadang nomor banyau di storekeeper arteli post level 5 HSLC pass at this equivalent the refrigerator mechanic kawai kapos level 4 SSLC pass preferably male with certificate course in electrical the soil and water conservation demonstrator south kapos level 4 SSLC pass weaving demonstrator at kapos level 5 SSLC pass tracer kawai kapos level 4 SSLC pass at equivalent the section assistant kawai kapos level 4 SSLC pass at this equivalent the projection is kawai kapos level 4 SSC pass preferred male with certificate course in electrical and cinema operator. The sericulture demonstrator santali kapos level 5 SLC with science pass with a certificate course in sericulture, a person who have passed the training, a short-term course in sericulture. The applicant should have the required requisite educational qualification. This for the will be given preference I preference yaki local candidates bata syang hapok basa haka hapok ka district jangka West Khasi Hills. Knowledge of Khasi kasadan ka qualification knowledge of Khasi kada dika jing petip ada 6 bakilakan tiu ya ka post hamtaka LDA low division assistant but driver bat ka jing tiu penjelahan ro ya ka portab nak tarik primary shadow kas kendai tarik primary June. Ini sabu kaling hapo description. Open page. Ika LDA lower division assistant kelakan tiu nakat saus arp kendai kumbai yang ne. Dan driver nakat ar kentiu sakat lai. Nyepet sa kanaka wairo kadang negara so advertisement kini kelakan tiu ya kalas diet saka kat sau tarik penai bandri acar pusan kini cuma nak ada penai April sau tarik penai April acar pusan tak kelakan tiu penselam biang ya ka penjalan biang ya ka portab tarik kado saka kat sau tarik penai June acar pusan takipun terliki puso talakan tiu iki post nak arpo itali siya ka arpo atali kini grade 4 post pan class 6 pass chau kidar pratali ki post kalasi atli ki post beyond kana tali ki post beyond kam chakidar kawai ka post plantation chau kidar kawai ka post process server kawai ka post kan mau tarik kado kadai kat sau tarik menai Jun acar pusan tela ma ptharo ba ki basiu online king siu lang ba ki payment gateway peran daka Canara Bank payment gateway kan project tot maka project tot apa ka SBI payment gateway kam byllai hapo High Court Meghalaya Laitkam Legal Aid Council kadai kado kadai kat tarik menai riu acar pusan. Applications for eligible candidates invited for enrollment of lawyers as legal aid counsel with the High Court Legal Services Committee, High Court of Meghalaya. Application form in this regard is enclosed herewith and can also be downloaded from the website of the High Court of Meghalaya. Last date of submission kadai tarik 12 June 2025 up to 4 p.m. The candidate must apply in format prescribed by High Court Legal Services Committee, High Court of Meghalaya only. No other format will be entertained. The complete application should be handed over to the Joint Registrar Cum Secretary to Honorable Chief Justice, Secretary High Court Legal Services Committee to the office room of SCSLC by 12 June 2025. Tadi ada kriteria yang sabuk kaling hapot description nanti kita babet pentap ya kan ikam Klapan pe company susu apa description tarik kado kali tarik penai Jun acar pusan. Dapat seakan pat kedan ke Kambalai apa Meghalaya State Medicinal Plans Board katar kado kadai country tarik brand riu acar pusan ke application submitted from the citizen for the post of technical assistant in the Meghalaya State Medicinal Plans Board Shillong on contractual basis for a period of 1 year renewable as indicated below. Post the technical assistant postgraduate in MSc Botany, Forestry, specialized in medicinal plants and with proficiency in the use of computer MS Office compulsory post. The rested candidates may apply standard form for screening eligibility applicants for review. The Office of Chief Executive Officer Meghalaya State Medicinal Plans Board Shillong Sylvan House, Lower Chumi. The last date of submission date is 16 June 2025. Candidate selected to interview will be displayed in the notice board office. The principal Chief Conservator of Forests and HOFF Sylvan House Meghalaya Shillong. Upper age limit 32 years, 5 years relaxation for SCST. Interview will be held on 3rd July 2025 at 10 a.m. onwards in the conference hall of Principal Chief Conservator of Forests Sylvan House, Lower Lachumia, Shillong Office Chamber, the Chief Executive Officer Meghalaya State Medicinal Plans Board, Shillong Forest Department, Sylvan House, Lower Lachumia. No TADA will be available to the candidate for the purpose. Basically, away Laitkam technical staff about district and sessions judge Southwest Khasi Hills District Makarwan. Katarik kado kadai kalai tarik penayan Jun acara pusan. Laitliki post technical staff bachelor computer BSc IT computer degree in computer BTech in computer science or application. Kajing siu arpusan hajar man penai. The post is purely contractual basis for a period of 1 year subject to termination without the prior notice. Kaditang ka offline mode. Nadu arpu tarik ume hado kalai tarik Jun deka tarik hado ki bapat tab kisah tab norwood. Finish to submit the application standard form along with self-attested copies and support objection clarification. The payment of fees 300 rupees only for general category and 150 rupees for SCST. You should be submitted in the form of demand draft in favor of District and Session Judge Southwest Khasi Hills District Makarwan. Sebutkan dengan description beliau boleh kambri na bentaka ni kakam hapo District and Session Judge Southwest Khasi Hills District Makarwan.